dat is waar.
Zij zijn aan het filmen, goed. We zullen een keer zien, wacht hè. Dus van hier is alles al zo aan beeld.
Ja, ja.
Dat en dat kotje ook.
Een beetje achteruit gaan ik wacht.
Anders doe ik het gewoon al wat dichter bij het kotje. Hè.
Oh,
Ik zal gewoon, ga van hier vertrekken. Ga ik naar daar gaan en hij met de camera dingen en komen terug en dan ga ik in het kotje gaan.
moet je niet
Dus
hier
nu moeten we
filmen?
volgens mij dichter zijn al. Hè, want anders, het is dat die dat telt. Hè.
Oh, dat doe ik, ja.
Wacht, nee, maar dat echt, dat in orde is, want anders is het lekker weinig mee. Ah ja, al zo. En dan subiet komt de hier dichter. Hè. Oké, wacht, dus ga ik vertrekken. Zo. Okay, so I'm now gonna try and dock it. There are two magnets in here, and there are two magnets on top of this. I'm gonna first hit this surface, then go to the right, hit the second surface, and then the device is constrained between the two in the corner, and so I can go up, and it will always touch the two magnets, and there we can also put electrodes to charge it. So let's test it. Okay, just going forward, and now I'm also gonna dock backwards because likely in the front there will be something hanging here. So as we can see, first we just go to the back. You don't really care about left or right. So it's constrained, so it can never be wrong. So its GPS does not need to be 100% exact. So if I now go up, it will always. Now it's snapped to the magnets, and now I'm going to turn it off, and it will just stick there. Oh, I'm trying to shut it off.
Take off.
There we go. So now you can see that it just docked, and I've done this multiple times. From the moment it enters this structure, there is no longer wind, and it is always constrained in the corner. So that's why this is a very repetitive process. Also, if we make the materials of this a material that is transparent for satellite signals, such as Teflon, in that case, the drone with RTK GPS, it knows within a centimeter to where it is. So it doesn't even need any kind of visual clues. It just goes backwards till it hits something, goes to the right, goes up. So I'll do it again. So once it's docked, I can take it off, and then I can, this right now this is a permanent magnet, but it would be electromagnets. So when it wants to take off, software automatically it would turn off these electrodes and it would fall down. Maybe you can have a close-up here of the two magnets attached here. Very simple. These could be two poles transmitting electrical energy. And here we also have two magnets. Yes. And now I'll just do another test just to demonstrate that it. I've also tested this in wind and things like that. It doesn't matter because you can just make the structure a little bit bigger, but the wind it's shielded from the wind and the principle stays the
Ja,
same.
doe maar.
Take off.
So, I'll just.
Ja, dat is ook goed. Dan weer maar mijn eentje
And there
op.
we go. It docked again.
Moet ik 3 of 4
Is het ook nog aan
millimeter.
het filmen, hè?
Oh ja, ja. Dat is maar aan het filmen.
So yeah, sorry. So now it's docked again, so we can see it's attached again to the magnets. So and this keeps going. So this is the principle.
Oh, hoort je uit?
Ja.